Jack here, drum teacher at Freedom Road, and today I'm looking at my old Ludwig Accent CS drum kit. Seen some action over the years, it's quite old. I want to see if I can fix this drum kit up and get it looking nice again. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start by taking off all the heads, all the hardware, so I'll be unscrewing every single last little screw off the kit, buffing that up, getting the hardware looking nice. All this is going to come off, and I'm going to sort of stain it with a nice natural wood stain. But the kit sounds great, you know, it just needs a bit of TLC, and hopefully we can get it looking nice again. So stay tuned, I'll keep you updated. That's what I'm up to at the moment. I've taken every single last piece of hardware off my drums. I've taken the red coating that was on there, taken that off. And what I've done is I've gone over the shells with a satin oak wood stain. I've done 2 coats with that. That's all dried, and then I went over with a clear coat. Just went over with some of this just to give it a nice little shine. There's the finished result. Then I've just put the hardware back on one of them. This is what they look like. Betty seems to like it anyway.
No.
Yeah? What do you think, Betty? They look good, don't they? So anyway, save me a lot of cash on new shelves anyway.